Hey man, what's up y'all? JS Beauty Creator here, and I am back again with a new video today for y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna be painting something I have never painted before. Let me see. I will be painting a pair of CROCS. Boom! And you know what's better than painting one pair of CROCS? Two pairs of CROCS. Right? Two pairs, crocodile family. Boom! I'm basically doing these CROCS for one of my good homies and his wife to be. Boom. And what I'm gonna be hitting these with is a FAMU theme. Yes, I'm running back to the FAMU theme because they went to FAMU. And if people who go to FAMU wants me to do some FAMU themed stuff, I'm gonna do some FAMU themed stuff. So this is like my third FAMU video in the last couple of weeks. And yeah, HBCU showing me love, FAMU showing me love, Rattlers showing me love. So I'm gonna show love back by killing these for my dog. I'm also gonna be doing a little pharmacy theme because they're both in the medical field. So we're gonna be doing pharmacy / FAMU. So that's what's about to be happening to these bad boys right here. Y'all gonna have to call me the Crocodile Hunter after I finish killing these CROCS. Get it?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But yeah, let's get into these CROCS. FAMU pharmacy paint job. Let's go. Oh wait, before we start, gotta do one thing. Put them in sports mode. Okay, now we can go. Hey y'all, I just want to put extra emphasis on this next step right here, which is sanding down the material. CROCS are made out of whatever it is, and it's really hard for paint to stick. So I sanded it down really good, and I use adhesion promoter to get the paint to stick. Without these two steps, you might as well not even just paint your CROCS. Acetone is not enough. I hit them with 3 to 4 coats, so now the paint has a better chance to fuse with the surface.
As we steer our boat down, looking for these dangerous predators. Boy, there's a king croc right there. He must be 4 meters, 12, 13 feet long at least. This croc has enough power in his jaws to rip my head right off. I've got to be careful. So what I'm gonna do is sneak up on it.
once again, guys, thanks for checking out today's video, man. I did on these FAMU Crocs. You know what I mean? You could call your boy the Crocodile Hunter now. But yeah, this is my first time working on a pair of Crocs, and I am not gonna lie, it's probably my last time working on a pair of Crocs, because the prep work for doing Crocs is not a joke. All right, just to get it to stick like this, to where it's not like fumbling and coming off, you seen it. I had to sand it, acetone, hit it with the adhesive spray. I didn't even record how many times I sanded this bad boy down or how many times I acetone this down. I hit it with about 4 coats of adhesive spray to get it to be like this. And even then, it's not gonna last forever, but it's gonna last good enough to be worn and be usable. Please, people, if you decide to paint some Crocs or do a pair of Crocs, please, 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 make sure your prep work is on point. All right, do not skip that process unless you want your Crocs to fall apart. Well, the paint to fall apart. Your Crocs are indestructible. They're like bulletproof, but your paint is not gonna adhere to the surface or stick to it or bond with the crocodile, plastic, whatever surface that Crocs are made out of. So sand, acetone, adhesive, light coats, man. Light coats, let them coats build up of paint. Light coat after light coat after light coat. And then your paint will stick to a pair of Crocs. Yeah, man, FAMU, that's another one down. Whoever else from FAMU wanna hit me up, feel free to do it. I'm 3 for 3 right now on FAMU projects. I've done 3. Who's gonna be number 4?
Who?
It's all love, man. And this is also one of my homies who went to FAMU as well. So technically I have a lot of friends that went to FAMU, so I mean, it makes sense. So but other than that, thanks for checking out today's video, guys. Don't forget to, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to do all that. And I'll check y'all out till next time, man. Got some more stuff I need to work on. Got some more stuff I gotta do. So y'all enjoy y'all day, night, or whatever it is, wherever y'all at. And peace.